Please everyone, try to share and tag my video. This is the most important video as a Muslim community, as a Muslim woman. Again once more, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I should tell you this video about Geert Wilders, the anti-Islam politician from Holland. I'm going to give a message to Dutch politician, none of one anti-Islam, Geert Wilders. I should say that you know all about a cartoon composition of Prophet Muhammad. Our messenger, Prophet Muhammad, I don't know what is the reason the Wilders always afraid from Islam. But I'll let him know, and one advice as a Muslim woman, I let him know, try to measure the depth of pit before jumping in it. You should not jump off the cliff without knowing where you will land. First of all, I thanks to Dutch government who have announced that he has cancelled that competition what is already had announced by Wilders. Second thing, I would request to Dutch government to ban such leader like Wilders. No religion teaches to hate other religion. Wilders, you should come to know, no religion teaches to hate other religion. People like you are spreading hatred among people. For individual publicity, people like you adopt such technique. I am really worried about Dutch people who are following you as a leader who is spreading terrorism about other religion, because terrorism is something which destroys the peace and harmony of the people. I think this message should enough for this Wilders. Other thing, I should tell that don't bother other religion. You are an anti-Islam politician, and you didn't get any way to get publicity in the whole world. And you know, Wilder, you have cancelled what you had announced, the competition of cartoon of Prophet Muhammad. I think it was a little trailer for you from 12th August when you announced in 12th August of 2018 till 29th of August 2018. This much period is enough for you to stop dividing us in religions, and to stop to teasing us as the name of Prophet Muhammad. Listen, you are the world's worst cartoon. Yeah, Wilder, This is message from Yasmin Arora Munshi. You are such big fool person who even don't know what is your religion. Religion never teach hate other religion and spread hatred. Religion never teach. Listen, Voyager, whenever you will get this video, please try to contact me by my page. I will let you know the power of Muslim woman. I don't care who are you.